people, my well wishers, my friends. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year in advance. God bless all of us. This year, no go see our end. We go see this year end in Jesus' name. All our desire, as they cross so, all the goodies, where God get for us, all of them will come to pass in Jesus' name. God bless us. Yes, we want to talk about a family problem or marital violence. Before we go there, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. That button, touch am. Know why you go touch am? As another video they come, you'll be the first person to grab am. Comment box dey there. Anything when you see for this video, put am there. God bless you. Yes, we don't come back. This family problem of a thing. No say they say any house when you dey, wahala dey. The thing be like say go dey unsafe. You get as it be. You no go dey happy. No joy, no peace, nothing. So what you want to do to bring this joy, to bring this happiness back? And what you want to talk be that? No, I ain't be the thing we want talk so. And this problem of husband and wife, so if it happen anywhere, if it happen anytime, even if una dey waka, before you know, wahala don't start. Even though they go market, they buy something, wahala don't start. Even though they go meeting, wahala don't start. Even one that they drive, wahala don't start. Why? Number one of this thing, now money matter. Money, financial violence, money matter. How this money they happen? No say these people now, two people when be say they join together. No say Bible say when husband and wife join together, they don't turn to one. And before this one they do your own, this one they do your own, and they don't join together now. Before they join together, this person feel be person when the woman they spend, you don't want to show how they spend the money, and the wife not go agree. Rather the husband go agree, and they supposed to they spend this money. Two of them go know as they spend them. And if one person no agree, problem don't enter the house. And the problem not be small problem. Oh. You go reach to the extent and say, it don't reach to break the marriage safe. Unless God intervene. Unless God enter inside. Without that, my brother, my sister, you get as it be. Why you, husband and wife, why they not go even open up self? It good, my brother, my sisters. If two of you join together, you won't spend. This one won't spend. When I sit down together, arrange down and go they spend the money. Waiting they cause all this thing, will they come for that those ones? So it good, mona sit down together on arrange and way. Another one now working. You get some people when be say like husband now. If my wife I married, I don't want make my wife work. And that woman when you want marry, the woman when be say he go talk and say he must work. Imagine person when don't do all and all now, you don't go school finish. You come and say make you no work. You no go dey happy. You see am. No tell only to their house to produce. That kind of person no go happy. And it go bring problem for us. And that woman say no go happy. That one another problem. So waiting days and now here, understanding go enter. Trust go enter. So I no see reason why you no go let your wife work. You see am. So now sit down and go iron the things out. Go see say this thing. For now two don't agree. With God help. Because God don't intervene inside the matter. Problem don't disappear. No see am. And again, if woman down, because someone when on they work, you go like, you're supposed to like to get our own money now. And they work. Everything. You won't buy slippers, man, give me. You won't buy granite, man, give me. You won't go somewhere, man, give me. Anything I want to give me. That kind of person not go like them. They bring problem for house. That's why I need to sit down and iron now. Why say man sit together? Because I be say I say they come back. You know, say if you watch very well, if you they drive car, you when you go drive this car, you go say this car not like the way they look again. I don't like them. They will go do body work. They go repaint am. The car will come back to normal again. And so marriage be. Even house self. Most of us don't even get house. Get where you go this, you say, this my house, I don't like am again. No, I won't do am. They go rebuild am. They go paint am again to the taste as you want am. And so marriage be. So if you look and say the kind thing, though this answer to bring problem every time, rebuild your marriage, paint am again, make it come back to normal. But the got one thing that they see, say na be the real problem. If not be long throat when they happen, why you not go open up? Even women too get long throat, not be only men. Because of you don't see outsider. The one idea has not been human being to you again. You know, they don't want anything again to you. Make I tell you, now they cause all this problem. All this one they just they pretend. And if you really want be successful in your marriage, I beg this thing when I want to tell you so, not true. If you they look and say, I waiting this woman they talk, I know waiting at the talk. Not involve third party. I they tell you so. You know what I say? You not involve third party. If, for example, na me, I go tell my brother, my sister, say, see what they cause problem. If he see and say na me do bad, he not go talk and he go protect me. Not be say be they do am for anything, no, but you know go fit talk am. Even the man too, he won't tell him brother, he won't tell his sister. He that self go protect them too. You go protect them. You know go fit talk the things when the man do. You see where problem enter. Instead of when the quarrel go they reduce, it go they increase. Problem more go they enter the family, the house. I beg, we will try by God's grace and with God's help. If you get problem with your wife, if you get problem with your husband, make una sit down together. With God's power, make una iron things out. And make una self when get long throat. When una self reduce on a long throat. Because most problem when they that is most thing when they bring problem, now long throat. I try to tell una. Now long throat, if you watch out of 100, this problem when they enter house, now long throat they cause them. And you know the long throat when I mean. Now they cause them. That's why you go see say husband go say wife no good again. You do thing no do, he go say he do. Anything when the woman do, you know they good. The same thing apply. If some women get some women too get long throat, anything when husband do, you know they like them again. So if we feel reduce our long throat, this problem go reduce. You go stop. Not be say problem. They say teeth and tongue they fight, but if they fight, you get as reach. When they fight, they go settle. But where every time the problem they come, when you find what they cause the problem, you no go see them. That's why they say na long throat, and they cause them. All and all, the main problem, the main secret thing inside this thing, this marriage of a thing, now long throat. Once this long throat don't reduce, the problem go reduce. That's why I say. And again, maybe you be wife or husband where be say you get the kind of friend where they follow. And as you enter and marriage don't start, and the man not go want make you follow that kind of people, and the woman too not go want make you follow that kind of people, and this one not agree, me I not agree, you not agree. Problem don't enter the house. Now we they cause problems, so I bet me we try. May we understand ourselves. May we sit down as I talk, iron these things together. You go see say everything go there cool. Peace go enter the house. Happiness go there the house. Joy go there the house, my dear. I bet me we try with God help. No see, as you listen to this video, God go bless you, go protect you, go guide you in Jesus' name.